Do you have one of these symptoms? Don't ignore these signs. Being busy in our day-to-day life, there are many unnoticed but very harmful symptoms that need early intervention, diagnosis and treatment. Diabetics is one of them. Whether you are fit and young or not, it is very important to watch both part 1 and 2 of this video. This is TAD-Tech GPX production. Diabetes, its types, signs and symptoms, ways to prevent it, and foods that can help. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how the body processes blood sugar or glucose. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease in which the immune system attacks and destroys the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. People with type 1 diabetes must take insulin every day to survive. Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder in which the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or becomes resistant to insulin. This type of diabetes is often associated with obesity and physical inactivity. Type 2 diabetes can often be managed with lifestyle changes, such as diet and exercise, and medication. In type 1 diabetes, the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the beta cells in the pancreas that produce insulin. The exact cause of this immune system malfunction is not entirely clear, but it is thought to be a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Genetics play a role in type 1 diabetes. Certain genes are associated with an increased risk of developing the condition. However, having these genes alone does not mean that someone will develop type 1 diabetes. Environmental factors may trigger the immune system to attack the beta cells. Some researchers believe that exposure to certain viruses, such as the Coxsackie virus or the rotavirus, may trigger an immune response that mistakenly targets the beta cells. Other environmental factors that may contribute to the development of type 1 diabetes include exposure to toxins, dietary factors, and low levels of vitamin D. The immune system attacks the beta cells in the pancreas because it mistakes them for foreign invaders, such as viruses or bacteria. The immune system produces antibodies that target and destroy the beta cells, reducing the body's ability to produce insulin. Over time, this can lead to high blood sugar levels, which can cause a variety of health problems if left untreated. Type 1 diabetes is a result of a combination of genetic and environmental factors that trigger an immune system response to attack and destroy the beta cells in the pancreas. This reduces the body's ability to produce insulin, leading to high blood sugar levels and potential health problems. If left untreated, type 1 diabetes can lead to more serious health problems, such as diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, a life-threatening condition that occurs when the body starts to break down fat and muscle for energy, leading to a buildup of ketones in the blood. Symptoms of DKA include vomiting, abdominal pain, fruity-smelling breath, and confusion. It is important to see a healthcare provider if you experience any of these symptoms or if you have a family history of type 1 diabetes. A healthcare provider can perform tests to diagnose diabetes and develop a treatment plan to manage the condition. The 9 common signs and symptoms of type 1 diabetes. Increased thirst. Excessive thirst, also known as polydipsia, is a common symptom of high blood sugar levels in diabetes. When blood sugar levels are high, the kidneys work harder to filter out the excess glucose, which leads to increased urine production. As a result, the body loses more water and can become dehydrated, causing feelings of thirst. Frequent urination. Frequent urination, also known as polyuria, is another common symptom of high blood sugar levels in diabetes. The kidneys work harder to filter out the excess glucose, which leads to increased urine production. This can cause a person with diabetes to urinate more often than usual, even waking up at night to go to the bathroom. Fatigue. Without enough insulin to move glucose into the cells, the body cannot produce energy effectively. This can lead to feelings of fatigue, weakness, and lethargy. Hunger. The body cannot use glucose for energy properly without insulin, leading to increased hunger. Weight loss. In type 1 diabetes, the body may start to break down fat and muscle tissue for energy, leading to weight loss, even if a person is eating more than usual. Blurred vision. High blood sugar levels can cause fluid to be pulled from the tissues, including the lenses of the eyes, leading to blurred vision. This is usually a temporary symptom that improves once blood sugar levels are controlled. Slow healing. High blood sugar levels can cause damage to blood vessels and nerves, leading to slow healing of wounds and infections. This is because high blood sugar levels can affect the immune system, making it harder for the body to fight off infections. Dry mouth and skin. High blood sugar levels can cause dehydration, leading to dry mouth and skin. The body may also lose fluids through increased urination, leading to further dehydration. Irritability. High blood sugar levels can affect mood and cause irritability. This is thought to be due to the effect of high blood sugar on brain function and neurotransmitters. It is important to note that not everyone with type 1 diabetes will experience all of these symptoms, and some people may not experience any symptoms at all. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent complications and improve long-term outcomes. Unfortunately, there is currently no known cure for type 1 diabetes. However, with proper management and treatment, people with type 1 diabetes can lead healthy, active lives. Here are some ways to manage type 1 diabetes apart from medication. Regular exercise. Regular exercise can help improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and maintain a healthy weight. It is important to check blood sugar levels before and after exercise and to adjust insulin doses as needed. Healthy diet. A healthy diet is important for managing blood sugar levels and maintaining a healthy weight. This includes eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, and limiting foods high in sugar, saturated and trans fats, and salt. Blood sugar monitoring. Regular blood sugar monitoring is essential for managing type 1 diabetes. This involves checking blood sugar levels several times a day using a blood glucose meter or continuous glucose monitor, CGM, and adjusting insulin doses as needed. Insulin therapy. Insulin therapy is a key component of type 1 diabetes management. It is important to work with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate type and dose of insulin. Stress management. Stress can affect blood sugar levels and make diabetes management more challenging. Practicing stress management techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga, can help improve blood sugar control and overall well-being. Support system. Having a support system, such as friends, family, or a diabetes support group, can help with emotional and practical challenges of managing type 1 diabetes. Limit alcohol intake. Drinking alcohol can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It is important to note that while these strategies can help manage type 1 diabetes, they do not replace medical treatment or medication. It is essential to work with a healthcare provider to develop a personalized treatment plan for type 1 diabetes. In the second part we will look at diabetics 2 and its prevention method. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.